In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Salesforce Flow Versions. Understanding the different versions of a flow in Salesforce is essential for both troubleshooting and ensuring that your automation processes are up to date and functioning as intended. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily locate and view these versions within your Salesforce environment. First things first, you're going to want to start on your Salesforce homepage. This is your central hub, so once you're logged in, ensure that you're on this page. It provides a great starting point for accessing different settings and configurations within Salesforce. Now, on your home page, you'll want to locate and click on the Quick Settings icon. Quick Settings are typically represented by a gear icon, and this is a shortcut to access a broad array of your Salesforce preferences and configurations easily. Once you've clicked that, you'll see an option to Open Advanced Setup. Advanced Setup is where you gain access to more in-depth customization options and settings. By clicking on Open Advanced Setup, you're taking one step closer to finding the Flows section where all your automation magic happens. Once you're in the Advanced Setup menu, use the search bar to type in Flows. This search function is invaluable as it'll streamline your navigation efforts, leading you straight to the Flows section without having to scroll through countless options manually. After you've typed in Flows, click on the Flows link in the options that appear. This action takes you to the dedicated Flows area in Salesforce, where every flow you've ever created in your Salesforce environment resides. Here is where the real inspection begins. In this area, you'll need to choose the specific flow you're interested in examining. There are typically many, so ensure you know the name or have a particular flow in mind. Click on the flow's name to open up further details. You'll notice a More option button beside each flow. Click on this to reveal additional functionalities. Here, selecting the View Details and Versions option will bring you to a screen rich with information about this flow. This is where you not only see the flow's details, but also all the various versions it has gone through. In the Flow Details section, you'll find valuable information such as who created the flow, its status, and other key identifiers. This helps you quickly gather relevant metadata about the flow. Finally, direct your attention to the Flow Versions section. This area showcases all the different iterations of the flow, indicating when each version was created and which one is currently active. It's an essential tool for understanding how your flow has evolved over time and for managing which versions should be in use. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently view Salesforce Flow Versions, helping you maintain and manage your Salesforce environment with confidence.